Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you again for joining me for another video. If this is your first time, I hope you guys enjoy and I hope you guys join the Glam fam and subscribe to my channel. We're in 2019. Everyone out here is trying to get snatched. Everyone out here is trying to get healthy from the inside out. So today's video, I have goodies for you guys, and this is a package of a new product that I just kind of learned about and just kind of heard about, and it's called Beauty Counter. Beauty Counter is a makeup and skin company that has like natural products, you guys. What Beauty Counter does is they use natural, organic, some of their ingredients is synthetic, but it's like the safe synthetic. You know, it's kind of like if you're gonna have chicken wings, you want to go like the baked route instead of like the fried route. Beauty Counter is all about being safe for their customers. So this is really great for like people who have like acne problems or really sensitive skin. You can't wear a lot of makeup. And so today I have a few of their products that I'm going to be trying for you guys and showing you guys how everything looks. And you know, I have to apologize if you've been watching me for, you know, a while. I typically do like makeup looks that are like a little much for like my natural girls out there. So for people who want to be natural and who like a natural look, this is going to be for you. And I hope you guys enjoy. Give me a thumbs up and I will see you guys later. Alright, so just to start off, I don't have the primer, the Beauty Counter primer. So I'm just going to use what I have, which is, I've been using the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Pro. Priming is a must for me. If I don't prime, I'm gonna shine. My makeup is gonna come off dripping, drip. Okay, so now that I'm all primed up and ready to go, I'm gonna be starting off with foundation. I have the Dew Skin Moisturizing Coverage Foundation, and Beauty Counter also has a tinted moisturizer. And the tinted moisturizer is basically what it sounds like. It's moisturizer that's tinted, and it's more so used for like everyday, like just want to run out the house, go to the grocery store, whatever. This is the number 4. This one does not have names to it, but it does go by numbers. This is like a perfect match for me because it's definitely the colder months, and so I really don't have much color to me. So the finish on this is really pretty. It has a really pretty like dewy glow to it, which I like, and it's very light and you can't feel it at all whatsoever. It doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel cakey, so I can actually tell that it is moisturizing, and it also has SPF in it, so it's protecting your skin from sun rays and all that UV stuff when we go outside, and it's touching our skin and things like that. So moving on, I don't have any concealer, so I'm just going to use what I have really quick. And I do not have any brow products from Beauty Counter, so I'm just going to go ahead and just do my brows really quick off camera. So brows are done, check. And so now we're moving on to the eyes. One of my favorite parts, and I have 2 different eyeshadow palettes I'm going to be trying out. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is the Necessary Neutrals eyeshadow palette. It comes with this really pretty red packaging, and then you pull it out and it's like, I don't know, you see that? It's really pretty. This alone just sells itself. The name explains itself. Necessary Neutrals. You have all the neutrals you need. You have a lot of pretty different neutral shimmers, some gray, some brown, some purples and pink. And then I have the Valet eyeshadow palette. This one is a lot smaller, so you can definitely like travel with this, throw it in your purse. This one has 9 colors. And you have like really pretty gold shimmers, like that's really pretty. And you have like a pretty plum, that's good for like date night or going out. So yeah, this one is really pretty as well. I'm being very tempted, but we're keeping it on the neutral side today. I think I'm going to start off with the Necessary Neutrals palette, and I'm going to go with this color Sable. And I'm just going to put that all over. Do I really want to do this one? I think I do. Okay, and then I'm just gonna blend that. This color is actually a little bit darker than I anticipated, which is actually a really good thing. That means that these are pigmented. Okay, so now that I have that all over the eyelid and all over the eye, now I'm going to use the Valet eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this color right here called Bangle, the one that I just swatched on my hand. It's a pretty gold, and I'm going to use that on my lid. Back to the Necessary Neutrals palette. I'm going to take this shade right here called Brandy, and I'm going to use that on the very like ends just to kind of give my eye some depth. And I'm going to bring that kind of up and around the brow bone. So I'm going to take Lace from the Valet palette, this one right here at the bottom in the corner, and I'm going to do that kind of like on the inner. Whoa, that was very pigmented. Definitely don't need that much. You put it on the inner corners of your eyes. And last but not least, I'm just blending everything together. Blending is the key when it comes to eyeshadow. If you don't blend, you're not gonna win, and it's gonna look a hot mess. So really quick, I'm just gonna put some mascara and some eyeliner on. So now that I have my mascara and my eyeliner on, nothing special, no lashes today. But now I'm moving on to bronze my face, and this is the Radiant All Over bronzer in the color Surf, and it's a very pretty like warm shade. You don't really have to bronze if you don't want to. I just typically bronze because it just adds a little bit of warmth to my face and just brings back a little bit of color. But I just take that and just apply it really like to the temples of my forehead, and then I just kind of bring it around like the perimeter of my face. Moving on to blush, they have this Satin powder blush, and this is the color Date. It's very pretty. It's like a rosy pinkish color with a little bit of red. You guys know for blush, you just kind of put it like on your cheekbones. Well, it's very pigmented. Very pretty. I really like that blush color. It's very pigmented, very pretty, and it just kind of adds like a little bit of pizzazz back to your face. And moving on, last but not least, is my favorite. You guys know highlighter is my favorite part. This is the first, it's upside down. This is the first light highlightering palette. It has 3 different colors. Today I'm just gonna use the golden color because I typically, you know what, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna use Sunkissed right here. And when I highlight, of course, I just put it on my cheekbones. I'm gonna highlight my nose and my upper lip. That is gorgeous. And you know what, because I am extra and I can't help myself, I'm gonna use the golden color on top. See, that's how I like my highlights to be. Like when you turn your head, bam. Turn your head, bam. See it, see it. And because I love it so much, I'm gonna put a little bit on my brow bone. That's basically all with the face. Now for lips, I have 3 different colors. These are the Color Intense lipsticks. Today I have Twig. Has a little bit of brown, reds in it. These are satin as well. They're not matte. This is Boardwalk, a little bit darker. And then I have Current. So that's Current right there. That's Twig, and this is Boardwalk. And for today's look, I think I'm gonna stick with Twig. You know what, actually for me, I think I want a little bit more color. So I'm gonna do Boardwalk. And then this has actually been my favorite lip gloss. I got this like back in November, and I probably use it like every day. This is the lip gloss in the color Buff, and this lip gloss like is never drying. It never like cakes up. I never really have to reapply it because it lasts. I love this lip gloss, and I actually really like how everything turned out. Everything feels really light. I feel like my skin can breathe, and it's not going to be choking up and caking up in the next couple hours because I put way too much product on like I normally do. You guys let me know what you guys think. This is my first time using Beauty Counter products. You guys can follow the link down below. You can see ingredients and all of the products. You can see how much everything costs. They always have deals going for my money savers out there. Yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you have not already, and leave me a comment down below. And on that note, I hope everyone out there has a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, see ya.